Hello everyone. Alright, this is the Aptify AI solution. We will take a look around to the software and we will walk through. Here in the navigation, we have two sections and two hubs, Operation Hub and Contract Hub. Documents. Here basically we can upload documents. The contract basically it has contract type. We can create contract type under the account settings. Click on any contract. For example, we choose HR contract and let's define the document type whether it is master or amendment. Let's choose master. Next, just click the file, choose the file and upload the file and start uploading. It basically take look around the clauses, list of clauses which are assigned to that contract type, and basically those list of contracts and clauses are go to this document, and basically extraction process is ongoing. Here all the clauses are with the help of artificial intelligence are being extracting from this document, and this document is basically processing. Here you can see once it's complete, here a one review option is appeared. Just click. The review option is basically give us some information, high level overview about the clauses which are matched, which are missing. Here we can select or select all and notify, and here are the extra. For example, match. Here if you wants to identify from which section this clauses appeared, just click on that button. It basically bring down that paragraph. Same with the extra clause as well. Just click on the save, and the document is basically saved in our document section. Now if you want to see again, here it's an icon. Here we can see the clauses names and its clause values. Here it has content tab. Among the content, save functionality is there to basically navigating this clause. It comes from which section, and it has ask AI functionality as well. And the ask AI, we can basically talk with this document. To clear this, basically here needs to clear. Yeah. Now here, for example, this paragraph looks very huge or large. We want a summarization of this paragraph. We can talk with this agent, for example. Okay. The ask AI intelligence, basically whatever we are asking are referring to this document, and it basically give information related to only this document. Here you can see it gives a short summarize with bullet points for easy understanding and keywords. Now let's move our home agent. Here the home agent is similar to ask AI, but here instead of only one file information, it gives us information about all, among all. For example, if we create here a new chat, previously we are just questioning only from one particular document, but here it gives information about all the information and knowledge base regarding that those are contract documents. So this chat base have some functionality. It gives us information in table format as well and in text format as well. Here we have asked the basically comparison between the cooling SLA and power SLA. It gives a matrix, and based on that matrix, it gives us the comparisons between the two points, cooling SLA and power SLA. Now we have covered the contract hub. It's at import section as well. Import section basically whatever the file failed or needs to be review or restart or re-uploading. So here we have those functionality where we can re-upload or restart, or we can do the failed documents, basically managing those failed process. Now let's come to the operation hub. In the operation hub, it has the same functionality, the home chat as well, and it has Deva, panel audit, network cabling, and knowledge library. Let's cover to the knowledge library. Okay, all right. Now here it is similar to contract hub, but in the contract hub basically uploading documents, but here in the operation hub we have a functionality to upload documents either or link as well. Documents is similar, look around like the in the contract hub. Basically we need to choose whether the document is SOP or MOP. Just select and choose the document. It's the same functionality like the contract hub. Here let's choose the URL. Basically click on that link. Next, here let's search. Let's take this. I copy the URL, paste it, click on upload, and it's basically start processing with that. Once it is successfully processed, it marks basically success. I have already created that one. Let's click on it. It's basically give an overview about the web content of that particular URL, and you can take information from this as well. So here you can ask basically information from the URL web content, and that it basically gives us information and details of that. This is the ask component and main feature of the knowledge library. Same we can ask information in the home as well. Here same functionality, just creating new chat, we can hide, just ask and all. Now let's proceed to Deva section. Here Deva section is basically design, DE, design and BA validation. Just click to upload, choose the document and click on uploading. Here the document is basically based on engineering, CAD designing, computer data designs. This Deva document section is basically working as a core component for sheet index validation and symbol detection. And basically it lists down the documents and the status basically success. Once the document is completed, here you can see in the first page it has a sheet index for basically all the among pages, and the basically discrepancies we are figuring out is basically from the bottom right corner from here, this text. Now here it gives sheet index analysis, basically the sheet number, sheet name and status. If this bottom page number is accurately matched with this sheet index number, then it basically shows match. If there is any discrepancies, then it will show mismatch. We can go directly navigate by clicking on this to directly navigate. If this is mismatch, then we can jump directly to that page. Here in the drop down, we have symbol detection. Basically in every page number, we are basically finding out the elevator whether it is missing or present, and the CSIDF with page designator and without page designator, it gives a higher level counting information. Like in the 4 page number, the elevator was present, CSIDF is also present. How many present? 4, and without PG only 1. In page number 6, elevator is missing, CSIDF page designator is present only 2 and without 0. This gives us a quality assurance and quality check high level information from the engineering room. Now let's come to the next section, panel audit. Here in the panel audit, basically we are analyzing and auditing the power panel. Power panel consists of circuit breakers, switch, amperes rating and level breaker, and some different types of wires are connected. We are basically doing the auditing of those power panel. Just click on the new audit, just select the type, work ID, create audit session, choose the building and wing. Let's take building B, west wing. Continue. Here you can see the overdues. Basically this audit session is overdue, this will be due soon, this is current and all. For the overdues, basically click on this audit, this panel, and here basically we need to upload the audit images, audit panel, basically the power panel. Just click to upload. Choose the power panel. Now check. First here some basic image quality checks are there. All the checks are completed and the basically extraction process is ongoing. The validation. Once all the informations are completed, now here it gives all the information from this image into table format. Here you can see the goal, the phase, right side, this basically the phase, the center one. It has L1, L2, L3, the pole basically 246 ampere rating and switch breaker position with wire connected. Here in the image you can see here no switch are there, so breaker position nothing. But in the second pole, in the first phase L1, it has switch, so that's why breaker position is on. This gives us a high level information. Once the extraction values are extracted, then we can just go to review extracted values. Here we can review. If we want to change anything, for example here instead of on we want off, instead of hyphen we can add on and off, then confirm and proceed to validate. Here in the validation process, it basically gives us mismatch, missing and match. Those data which are matched basically gives us match values, those which are missing it gives missing, and those data which are mismatched it gives us mismatch information. then a review discrepancy, and here are the remedies tickets and proceed to sign off. Optional note: sign and submit audit. We can save draft as well for further processing. And once confirm, audit set successful. This was the panel audit section. Thank you.